Hey y'all, if you want to know how I achieved this high, super cute lock pony, then stay tuned. What's up y'all, it's your girl Spirit right here. I don't know why I made an intro to that video like that, because I'm not about to start with my hair undone. I just did my hair. I'm just going to do this ponytail again one more time and hope that it comes out cute for you, okay? So I'm going to just show you the whole entire hairstyle. This has become my new go-to when my hair is not twisted, when my hair is not done, when my hair is just, I'm like, girl, I've been lazy with my hair for weeks. This is what I do to it, all right? And I always wondered how people do it. So basically, you just take a ponytail holder. I like to double mine up and move all the locks to the front of your head. You move all the locks all the way to the top of your head. And then once all the locks are at the top of your head, you adjust them until you feel cute. The end.